Our solar system is an awe-inspiring place. 8 planets circle our sun, each a unique world. Some planets are close to the sun, while others are very far away. Let's imagine we could visit each planet. What would we find? Some planets are scorching hot, others are incredibly cold. Some have breathable air, but many do not. Exploring these planets is dangerous, but it is also exciting. We can learn so much from these extreme environments. Each planet has a story to tell. Let's begin our journey and uncover the secrets of our solar system. Mercury is the smallest planet in our solar system. It's also the closest to the Sun. This makes Mercury a planet of extremes. During the day, the Sun bakes Mercury's surface, and temperatures can soar to a scorching 800 degrees Fahrenheit. But at night, temperatures plummet to minus 290 degrees Fahrenheit. Mercury has no atmosphere to speak of, which means there's no air to breathe and no protection from the Sun's radiation. Its surface is covered in craters, and it almost looks like our moon. Mercury is a fascinating world, but it's a very hostile place to visit. Venus is Earth's closest neighbor. It's similar in size and gravity to our planet, but don't let that fool you. Venus is a deadly world. Thick clouds of sulfuric acid blanket Venus, trapping heat and making it incredibly hot. The surface temperature is a scorching 900 degrees Fahrenheit. That's hot enough to melt lead. Venus's atmosphere is incredibly dense and mostly carbon dioxide, which traps heat. The pressure on Venus is 90 times greater than on Earth. That's like being 3,000 feet beneath the ocean's surface. Venus is a harsh reminder that even Earth-like planets can be deadly. Mars has captured our imaginations for centuries. It's a cold, dry planet with a thin atmosphere, but Mars is also the most Earth-like planet in our solar system. Mars has polar ice caps, seasons, and even evidence of ancient water. The average temperature on Mars is about minus 80 degrees Fahrenheit. That's cold, but manageable with the right technology. The biggest danger on Mars is the thin atmosphere, which is mostly carbon dioxide, meaning we can't breathe it, and there's little protection from the sun's radiation. Dust storms are another hazard. They can engulf the entire planet and last for months. Despite these dangers, Mars is the most promising target for human exploration. Section 5, Jupiter, the planetary king. Jupiter is a giant. It's the largest planet in our solar system, with a mass greater than all the other planets combined. Jupiter is a gas giant, made mostly of hydrogen and helium. It has no solid surface. Winds rage through Jupiter's atmosphere at hundreds of miles per hour. The Great Red Spot is a giant storm that's been raging for centuries. It's larger than Earth. Jupiter's radiation belts are also deadly. They trap charged particles from the sun, creating an intense radiation field. Jupiter is a fascinating world, but it's far too dangerous for humans to visit. Section 6, the ringed jewel, Saturn. Saturn is best known for its stunning rings. These rings are made up of countless ice and rock particles. They range in size from tiny grains to large boulders. Saturn is another gas giant. Like Jupiter, it has no solid surface. Saturn's atmosphere is also home to powerful storms and high winds. Saturn's rings are a beautiful sight, but they also pose a danger to spacecraft. The particles in the rings travel at incredibly high speeds. A collision with even a small particle could be catastrophic. Section 7, Uranus, the sideways world. Uranus is a strange world. It's tilted on its side, with its axis of rotation almost pointing at the sun. Uranus is an ice giant. It's made up mostly of water, methane, and ammonia. These substances are frozen solid in Uranus's atmosphere. Uranus is a very cold planet. The average temperature is about minus 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Uranus also has faint rings and numerous moons. Section 8, Neptune, realm of supersonic winds. Neptune is the farthest planet from the Sun. It's a cold, dark world with an incredibly turbulent atmosphere. Neptune is an ice giant. Like Uranus, it's made up mostly of water, methane, and ammonia. Neptune's atmosphere is home to the fastest winds in our solar system. They can reach speeds of over 1,200 miles per hour. Neptune has a faint ring system and several moons. It's a mysterious world that we're only beginning to understand. Section 9, Exploring the Final Frontier. Our solar system is a place of wonder and danger. From the scorching heat of Mercury to the frigid depths of Neptune, each planet offers unique challenges and rewards for exploration. As we continue to explore our cosmic backyard, we must proceed with caution and respect for these extreme environments. But we must also never lose our sense of awe and wonder. The universe is full of mysteries waiting to be uncovered, and it's up to us to explore them.